Quebec Red Sky 604, turning wing up, turning final, runway 18, touch and go French Valley. And French Valley traffic, White Red Skyhawk 604, short final, runway 18, touch and go French Valley, straight out departure. There's that Duke. 65 the white, looking good.
Traffic, Duke 10 Whiskey Echo holding short of 18 for our traffic on runway. We'll be a straight out departure when we go.
Here's airspeed. Instrument's good. Positive rate. French Valley traffic, White Red Skyhawk 604 on the upwind runway 18 French Valley. We'll be departing to the northwest.
French Valley traffic, Duke 10 Whiskey Echo taking the active 18 straight out